it's me, Anna Marie from Heavenly Healing. A couple of Tuesdays ago on Teach Me Tuesday, we started with the herb series. I found that so interesting that I actually thought we would continue and just delve more and deeper into the magic of everyday herbs. Yeah, and these are probably even herbs that you will have in your pantry. Isn't that exciting? We're going to be doing basil, rosemary, and thyme today. And if you look, you will find basil either in your pantry or an aspiring herb gardener, or you have your own veggie garden. You probably will have basil in your garden. It's just such a yummy, yummy, yummy herb. The magical properties of basil: protection, love, and wealth. A fun fact about basil: in ancient times, the people actually believed that basil could open the portals or the gates of heaven. A quick tip: place a basil leaf in your wallet to attract money, honey. Rosemary, magical properties of rosemary. Oh yeah, you must have a look in your garden, especially if you live in an older house or in an older suburb. Chances are that you have a huge basil shrub rosemary shrub in your garden. These are absolutely beautiful because you can even pick sprigs and put them in your house. They work so nicely. They are multifunctional. Anyway, what are the magical properties of rosemary? Purification, healing, and memory. So, if it's exam time, and I think it is exam time right now for somebody, sprigs of rosemary will definitely aid and assist your memory. Fun fact: Greek students used to actually wear rosemary garlands to help them study. I think your mom or your partner might look at you a bit funny if you did walk in with a rosemary garland around your neck. But try a couple of sprigs in a glass of water or a vase on your desk, and I promise you it will help with your memory. Quick tip: burn rosemary to cleanse your space. But here, remember, it does need to be a dried sprig. A wet sprig of rosemary isn't going to light. Only dried herbs light, not wet herbs. Thyme's magical properties: courage, strength, and purification. I don't know if any of you, well, I'm sure a lot of you have seen beautiful little thyme plants. I used to grow them. I had green ones, I had variegated ones, and they just looked so beautiful in my pathway. And they're wonderful because then you can pick and use them in a salad as well. But today we're doing the magical properties: courage, strength, and purification. Fun fact: knights in the Middle Ages wore thyme on their armor for bravery. So if you're going, I don't know, first date, wanting to ask a boy or a girl out, huge boardroom meeting, signing a contract, whatever needs a lot of courage from you, try using a little bit of thyme. It can go a very, very long way. Quick tip: add thyme to your bath for a boost of courage. Don't overload, hey? When it comes to herbs, a little is always the best way to go. And then something that you can do at home, if you have little bags, little cotton bags would work probably best. You could actually make your own herb sachet, and then you could use whichever herb you want and create your own magical herb sachet to help you through the day. Thank you so much for listening. We'll see you next Tuesday. Namaste.